from Retail.
I'm Josie from Business Solutions, and
We are the BSC Trio!
So, isa sa mga hobbies ko, siyempre, as a nanay, may tayo
No! Ate, nakakaya! Ate!
Ako ay na pinagkakabalahan is... I love you, Bossy! Meron ako po dito sa mga meron kayong dahil yung kanyang
Yes. Ako yung
Why kay Jojoy? Anong sagot mo dyan, Josie?
Yun, sumali kami sa GTM Sales Got Talent kasi nga me and Ate Josie has been part of New Micro Music Club and matagal naman namin na sa Ate Josie nag-lead siya sa isang praise and worship sa church. So, nabutan grupo namin kasi gusto namin maging kakaiba and maging different sa ibang contestant. So, here we are.
Ano ba yan? Dami namang... Nainip.
So, for our final song, we want to enjoy and we want to show you guys that we can still level up and show something.
Who do you dedicate? Johnny pala siya.
We dedicate this final performance to our managers, supervisors, and teammates. So, abangan nyo kami
Sa aming huling performance,
dito sa
GTM Sales Got Talent!
Nakisilang.
We could have had it all. Rolling in the deep. You have
Gigil si ate.
Makipagkakaman na kami babi na niya. Abangan ng mga talaga sa mga sinabi ko na dito. Hindi mo na magagawa ito. Pinapagawa ng mga salita pero hindi ka na makakagalaw. Katakatakan na makalakas pinakamadamit. Hindi na matakot. Pinakamalakas. Ladies and gentlemen!
Settle down. Grabe yung energy ng crowd. Grabe yung fan club nyo, ha? Kumusta?
Ganda pala yung pagdating sa Grand Final.
Hindi naman obvious na pinakabahan kayo. Sobrang, ako nag-enjoy ako sa performance nila, Rose.
Kasi diba, last week it's a classic heartwarming performance to grabe, diba? Ngayon parang itataon na nila ang buong Tacloban floor sa kanila.
Grabe! Yung dance floor ni JC, feeling ko yung talaga yung nagdala eh. Isang kasama na leta na JC.
Nice one to!
Oo. And Rose, meron silang fan club dito. May patarpaulin sila. May pangalan mo yung fan club nyo?
Josie natin.
Josie Natix.
Ano naman sa'yo
Ay,
na?
namin lang.
Ay, di ba na... Okay. Sige. But anyways, I love their performance. Gusto ko rin yung energy ng fans nila and ng audience today. Yes.
Nila ang buong energy nila this morning. Pero syempre, let's see if the energy resonates to our judges. Let's hear it from Miss Kat Principe.
Kat, kumusta naman ang performance nila?
Okay, before I comment, I just would like to say, hello, GDS! Okay, and siguro, since last Latonas, this is the grand finals, I just wanted to do a quick shout out to the Synergy team. You did very well. Congratulations. Pinag-usapan nga namin ni Ben kanina, sabi ko, it kind of feels like a mini fame competition.
Yeah.
With the format, I can feel the effort of everyone in putting this together. And kudos to Timmy and also to Rose for keeping up the energy. Si Rose, nakita yung progress niya from the first time that she hosted up until now.
Nasama pala ako sa grand final.
Congratulations! Okay. Kanina rin nag-uusap kami, sabi namin, ano kayong papakita nila this time? We were very excited because this is the finals, right? So, siguro positive notes would be the variety each time that you are performing, yung una pop, and then gospel, and then right now, although pop din, pero nakita ko yung difference or variety. Nung una parang mostly vocals, last week may rap, and then today may rap, may dance pa. For everyone. So good job. And then, yung nerves, I would say, I agree. Nung una, very apparent na nervous kayo, na kinakabahan kayo. But you were able to wrap it up nicely with the energy at the end. Nakaka-play, around na, kumbaga, you play off the energy of each other. So good job. And I also would like to commend you kasi I think it's more challenging to do this in a group setting as compared to to solo. Medyo mas mahirap i-put together yun kasi you also have to make sure na balance yung energy with one another. No? So, I'd like to congratulate you as early as now. Thank you so much for your efforts.
Alright, thank you. By the way, gusto ko lang magating, Rose, no? Kanina, nagmo-monitor ako ng live audience natin sa Teams. Nung nag-umpisa na sa 85, nung nag-perform na kayo, over 100 na yung nanonood. So, grabe pati yung response ng ating audience sa Microsoft Teams. So, yung mga nanonood sa atin sa Teams, please encourage your teammates to also join. Manood din kayo kung wala naman kayong ginagawa, meron kayong extra monitor. Play nyo po yung GTM Sales Finals na po ito. Supportahan natin yung mga teammates
so
natin.
while they're watching, they're also send their votes.
Yup.
The QR code has been posted, so
Totoo yan. Sayang din yung boto
yung
nyo.
mga favorite candidates nyo.
Yep. Alright, so once again, BSC 3, congratulations.